Today I'm reviewing the Elegant Life 5.8 quart air fryer. The power's on, it is plugged in. Here's what the basket looks like. When I push the button right over here, it allows me to lift it out. There is the basin at the bottom, and that way this can be rinsed here separately from this if needed. So I'm gonna push this back over here this way and lift it up, push it back in. In order to turn it on, hold down the power button. And then this button right here allows you to select the different varieties of foods. And there is a preset minute and temperature for each of those. But at any time, you can select the type of food and then select the time and then change the time up or down. Same with the temperature. You can change that up or down to suit your needs for whatever it is. And I will turn it off again. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the Elegant Life 5.8 quarts air fryer.